Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will recap today's stock market action and discuss our trading plan for tomorrow. But before we dive in to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube and sign up with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any Telegram groups, Discords, or paid subscription services whatsoever. Speaking of reports, we have a special report out tonight for subscribers on a potentially undervalued situation on the Nasdaq. Among the highlights, the company is an AI-driven healthcare company. The float is under 2 million shares. The market cap is under $9 million, and the company is doing over $30 million a year in revenue. It trades just under $2 a share on the Nasdaq. We expect some fireworks in this name on Thursday, so make sure you sign up for our free report. In terms of small caps that I am watching, first I want to recap the small caps from last night's video. LIFW closed up 18% today. This was after Palantir disclosed a 6.5% stake in the company. Canopy Growth, CGC, Canadian cannabis names were big runners today. CGC was up 30% today. Congrats to all who've been banking in this name. I've been covering this one all month. Just been a great runner so far this year. Particularly U.S. cannabis names have been bouncing. Expectations of DEA reclassification, and Schumer proposes a bill on safer banking, which will allow cannabis companies access to the federal banking system and will allow multi-state operators to uplist. But the Canadian names, they were the big notable gainers today after the industry lobby group, the Cannabis Council of Canada, appointed Paul McCarthy, a former executive at Canopy Growth, as its new president. CGC's rival Aurora Cannabis was also up, while other Canadian LPs such as SNDL, Tilray Brands, Organigram, Kronos Group, and Canopy also joined the rally. C3, whose members include Tilray and Kronos, serves as the leading national trade association for the Canadian cannabis industry. McCarthy replaces C3 CEO and President George Smitherman, who resigned in January after nearly 4 years at the helm. We are delighted to welcome Paul McCarthy as the new president of the Cannabis Council of Canada, Rick Savone, chair of the Cannabis Council of Canada, and a senior executive at Aurora Cannabis, said. In his 3-year stint at Canopy, McCarthy had served as the head of the company's international implementation, a strategic advisor to former CEO Bruce Linton, and most recently as head of its corporate policy. His appointment at C3 takes effect immediately. So indeed, this is good news, and I really like to see that these companies are starting to get their act together. The industry is getting its act together, and we are finally seeing some nice moves in cannabis names, which we have not. It's been a horrible investment for the past couple of years. DJT, Trump Media and Technology Group, closed at $48.81. As I said last night, guys, $50 is the line in the sand. Needs to close above there to keep the momentum going. Right now, it's just been selling off. Has just been a lot of drama. Next target is $40. I would not short this thing. Got an expensive high borrow rate. Play the momentum. It's going to spike. This is a pure momentum trade. Play green, not red, and it's a great vehicle for day trading. PAYS closed up 5%. GSIT closed above $5. That was the what I was talking about yesterday. Closed up 9%. So all in all, not a bad day in terms of the names from last night's video. Some new names to add to our radar screen is, first up is VNDA, Vanda Pharmaceuticals, closed up 29% today after the FDA cleared its Fanapt tablets for the acute treatment of manic or mixed episodes associated with bipolar 1 disorder in adults. Fanapt is an atypical antipsychotic agent that has been used for the acute treatment of patients with schizophrenia since its FDA approval in 2009. The latest approval is based on a pivotal trial in which Fanapt-treated patients showed a larger improvement than the placebo-treated group at the end of the study, which was week 4, and this difference was highly statistically significant. So that's indeed big news. The safety profile of Fanapt in this study was similar to that seen in Fanapt studies previously conducted for the treatment of schizophrenia in adults. The latest marketing approval significantly increases the commercial opportunity for Fanapt, the company said. Fanapt sales have fallen in recent quarters due to increased competition. The drug generated sales of $22.6 million in the fourth quarter of 2023, a 7% decrease compared to $24.4 million in the fourth quarter of 2022. And the company has a $290 million market cap. So, indeed, this is good news for the company. So, I'll be watching this one for more trade setups. Second is American Battery Technology, ABAT. It was selected for a $20 million award through the Qualifying Advanced Energy Project Credits Program for its critical minerals battery recycling facility. The award was granted by the U.S. Department of Treasury Internal Revenue Service following in a highly competitive technical and economic review process performed by the U.S. Department of Energy. This $20 million award can be utilized both for the reimbursement of capital expenditures spent to date and also for equipment and infrastructure for additional value-added operations at ABTC's battery recycling facility in the Tahoe Reno Industrial Center in Story County, Nevada, the company added. Our subscribers well know this one. This one was a former OTC runner. Hit the Nasdaq, been on a downward trend, but looks to have finally bottomed out here. Hopefully, this is indeed the bottom in ABAT. Just a $90 million market cap. Battery recycling, that is indeed a big segment. And ABAT is a market leader when it comes to that. So we will keep this one on your radar screen. I think this one is a longer term play. And of course, tomorrow I will also be scanning pre-market as I do each and every trading day. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up. And again, it's completely free. But our main focus for Thursday is an AI-driven healthcare company on the Nasdaq trading just under $2 a share. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com and sign up with your email and mobile number. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation by seller holds securities. It is our opinion, meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.